everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are doing Monster Truck Collection Garage 4. A whole new garage, 15 trucks, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so number 70 is Maximum Destruction, or I guess Max DX is what I call it. That's number 70. Number 71 is the Kraken. We got the star at the front, and then the Kraken's eye, teeth. Pretty cool. This is number 71, the Kraken. Number 72 is Breaking World Records El Toro Loco. Got the Breaking World Records symbol right there, logo, and then logo. Nice. 72. Number 73 is Cool Wheel Invader. See, it's got those number 13 on the wheel. Other side, thing. Got the shark mouth. Really like that. And yeah. Number 74 necessarily isn't a Hot Wheels monster truck or Monster Jam truck, but it is still a monster truck that I got at an aquarium. So this is the Great White Monster Truck. This is what I call it. A Revs. It's got the sharks. So the 73 or 74. Galaxy Bakugan Dragonoid is number 75. And as you can see, it's got the shimmer. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Number 76 is Dragon Ice. So Ice Dragon. It's got the clear horns and tires. Cool. So that's number 76. Number 77 is Galaxy Dragon. See? Got the weird clear galaxy horns, just like Ice Dragon. Galaxy Eye. Yeah, or Galaxy Dragon. And then we have Zombie Great White, which is like a zombie shark. It's the Great White version of a zombie. It's got the teeth, multiple rows, which is accurate. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then slash eyeball. So that's number 78. Number 79 is Over Contrast Megalodon. So you can see, really good. It's got the blue eye, Megalodon on it. So it's number 79. Number 80 is Fire Megalodon. See, it's got the fire wheels. It's black on the top because it's the steam and the charcoal. Fire everywhere. Really cool truck. So there's the Fire Megalodon. And then one of my favorite trucks of all time is the Zombie Megalodon monster truck. It's got specs on the wheels. Zombie. It's red. It's got the red skeleton. The Megalodon with the weird goo coming down. The teeth. And the glass is green. And overall, really, really cool truck. I think it's one of the best Megalodons that they've made yet. So it's number 81. And then number 82 is the Indoraptor monster truck from Hot Wheels. See, it shows the Jurassic World logo, and then there's the Indoraptor on it. And as you can see, it shows Jurassic World up there, the muscle. So there's the Indoraptor. number 82. Number 83 is the Indominus Rex, which is another Jurassic World monster truck from Hot Wheels. And as you can see, it shows the Indominus Rex and the other one. So there's number 83. And last is the Mecha Orca, which actually came with the Zombie Great White. So see, they were in the same set together. Zombie Great White, Mecha Orca. But there's the robot Mecha Orca right there. And then see the Hot Wheels logo in ice. And then the mouth trying to shoot its laser. And another logo. So there's Mecha Orca. So that's it for the video. And no, I did not forget, the shark for the day, or for the video, is Surfshark. On the surfboard. And there also is a shark walker with it. So, bye. See you in the next video.